What's a preloved bag? Does nobody want it? Hi lovely ladies, welcome to Life with Lokie. Today we will be digging into my Hermes bag series and discussing about the Hermes Kelly size 32 in Sellier. Those who are new to this channel, hello and welcome. My name is Lokie and we have just launched my Hermes bag collection series. You haven't missed much. This is just the second leather bag and I've put the link down below if you have missed that video. My aim of this video and channel is to provide lots of practical tips and information, features of my pre-loved bags, mod shots, close-ups, and more importantly, my review. So come and join me, like and subscribe and hit that notification bell for updates. In no particular order, I have chosen this bag to share with you today. Not gonna lie, but this is a pre-loved bag and you have seen it before in my Tweety Time video. This is my beloved Hermes Kelly 32 in Jaune, Sellier style, and I have owned this bag for more than a year now. This bag came a long way before it reached me. It is a pre-loved bag. This was purchased from a reseller in Singapore who had initially purchased it from a pre-loved shop in Japan. This is a vintage bag, but its condition is pristine and it is made in 1997, so that is about more than 20 years now. It is in Kelly size 32 and in the Sellier style, which is a structured style. Sellier means settler, and you can tell this design by the visible stitchings on the sides and the sharp edges. Although it may look slightly larger than the Kelly in Retourne style, it actually fits less in the bag because it is stiffer and more rigid. So this is how stiff it can be. Hermes uses harder leathers to craft a Sellier bag like the Epsom or the box cuff leather. My bag is in the Epsom leather and you can see the stamped grain appearance. Because of this, it is durable and easy to care for. Although it is more than 20 years old, there isn't much signs of wear or scuffings. However, saying that, I did see a bit of wear on the top. You know, when sometimes when your nails get through the handle. My bag is an egg yolk yellow called Jaune. I feel that Hermes named the colors quite appropriately. I have here an example of the Hermes color chart showing the range of yellow shades, and the Jaune that I have indeed looks like an egg yolk yellow. I chose this color because I wanted something fun for a casual setting, and I feel that it is quite a refreshing color. You can see the color chart that Jaune de Naples and Jaune Ombre was recently launched in the Spring-Summer collection of 2019. Because of this variety of shades that Hermes can produce in any color, it makes it fun to collect your favorite colors in your favorite leathers. Alright, so I have my Kelly size 32 in Jaune in the Sellier style, and we will take a closer look at it. First up, Kelly comes in one handle, and I have my graph toolie on this. So pretty, just look at the colors. It's so gorgeous and I think that it fits this bag really well. Next up is the yellow color. So you can see it comes in Epsom leather, so that's in like a pebbly leather here. It's like a embossed leather, and you can see the stitchings. It is handcrafted, so it's very well done. Next up, it comes in gold hardware, and this is a bag from 1997, so you can see there are fine scratches on the bag. And next up, we will look at the sangles. So very pretty. There's the sangles. Okay, and we'll just flip that around for you to have a look. There you go. It's in the A, stamp in a square. You can tell the fine scratches on the top there. It comes with a bit of wear. Okay. And the base of the bag. So you can see that the edges are quite sharp. Okay. Although this is an old bag, but it is very well conditioned, and I do condition my bags as well, so I keep the leather very well moisturized. So in the Sellier style, you can see that the edges are sharp, right? Okay. This bag also comes in one D-ring. Just there, I've hidden that because I do not use the straps, and that's just a stitching on the top. We will flip the bag around now. Go. This is how the bag looks. You can see there are a few stains just there and there, but I'm not too fussy because this is a vintage bag. Let's zoom in on the leather, and that's absent. Down to the other side. And back to the top. Excellent. So now I will flip the bag around and we will look at the underside of the bag. So it comes in 4 studs as well. You can see there are scuffings on my studs, but that is to help protect the leather. Here you go. There's just one small stain just right there as well. So this is just a close-up of the front, and it's a bit dirty. I think mainly because this is the area where we just open and close the bags. There you go. There is the prints on the front of the turn lock. So pretty. And just on the underside, just a bit stained. There is one pen mark just right there. Okay, now we will open the bag. Have a look inside. So this is how the bag looks on the inside. There's the zipper and 2 compartments. It is very clean, and for this bag, I do not have a bag organizer for it. I am still waiting for my bag organizer to arrive, so I don't have that. And I just want to show you something. So this is the clochette, which I haven't hung up yet. And I also have a little pouch where I keep the bits and pieces. Let's have a look what's inside. So that's my lock. Should be a number below. And there's the straps. You know what I noticed? This hook is in excellent condition. So I just had a quick look at the hook, and it is such in good condition. I haven't looked at it before in detail. This is my first time doing it. And let's have a look at the clochette. So there should be 2 keys in the clochette like I have explained before, and the number 116 that matches the lock. There you go, and you can tell, yeah, so it really matches the lock. Okay, that's the other part of the lock, just there. I don't think all the previous owners have used this strap. It seems to be in excellent condition. So overall, I'm really happy with this buy. I know there are a few scuffs around. You can see around this area it is quite dirty. This bag can definitely do with a bag spa. I am just waiting for the organizer to come around first and send a few bags to the bag spa in a short while. I call this my happy bag because of the cheery bright color. I use it more for weekends, events, and because of the Epsom leather, it is extremely lightweight and easy to carry around. I definitely would recommend one bright colored bag in your bag collection. For those of you who are wondering, this Preloved bag has finally found a forever home. I hope you guys have enjoyed this video and ask me anything about my Kelly 32 in Jaune in the comment section below. Please like and subscribe and stay tuned for the next bag in my Hermes bag collection series. Take care and goodbye.